In this video, I will show you how to fix the problem of Messenger notes not showing. To start, locate the Messenger app on your device. Once you find it, tap and hold the Messenger app icon until options appear on your screen. From these options, look for the eye symbol. Now that you're on the app info page, scroll down a bit until you see Storage. Tap on it. In this section, you'll notice an option labeled Clear Data at the bottom left corner. Go ahead and tap that. When prompted, confirm by tapping Delete. This action will clear any temporary files or data that might be causing issues with displaying notes. Once you've cleared the data, exit out of Settings and open up your Google Play Store. In the search bar at the top, type in Messenger. If there's an update available for your Messenger app, go ahead and tap Update to download and install it. Keeping apps updated is crucial as updates often include bug fixes that could resolve display issues like missing notes. So that wraps up this tutorial. If you have any questions about this whole process, please let me know in the comments section below. And if this video helped you out, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to this channel for more tutorial videos like this one. Thank you so much for watching and have a good day.